Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to monitor audio in Audacity, so let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, here's an important note before we continue. Make sure your headphones are plugged in. This is crucial for monitoring your audio properly and avoiding any feedback issues during recording. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar of the Audacity window. You'll see several menu options there. Click on Transport to open a drop-down menu with various transport-related settings. This menu contains important recording and playback controls that you'll use frequently when working with audio. Next, hover your mouse over transport options within that drop-down menu. This will expand another submenu with additional settings. From this submenu, select Enable Audible Input Monitoring. This feature is what allows you to hear yourself in real time as you record, which is incredibly useful for checking your audio levels and catching any issues immediately. With monitoring enabled, it's time to test it out. In the top toolbar, locate and click the recording button to start recording. This button typically has a red circle icon, making it easy to identify among the other controls. Now speak into your microphone. As you talk, you should hear your voice coming through your headphones in real time while recording. This live feedback helps you adjust your distance from the microphone and monitor your volume levels as you record. If you notice an echo or a slight delay between when you speak and when you hear yourself, don't worry, that's completely normal for software monitoring. The delay happens because the audio needs to process through your computer before reaching your headphones. To avoid feedback issues, always use headphones rather than speakers when monitoring your input. Speakers can create a feedback loop where your microphone picks up the sound coming from them, resulting in that annoying high-pitched squeal. And that's it. You've successfully set up audio monitoring in Audacity, allowing you to hear yourself clearly while recording. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.